Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team. This week we have 5 open houses for you to enjoy. The first one is 822 Donegal Street in Peterborough. This is a great family home with 4 generous-sized bedrooms, 2.5 baths plus an office, and a cozy family room with a gas fireplace. The home sits high on a hill with a large rear deck, offering a magnificent southeastern view over the city. This property is open Friday from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m., Saturday from 1 to 3, and again on Sunday from 1 to 3. And there's a link to a pretty neat video on this property in the description. Take a look at it and then come on out and see it. Next up, we have 440 Carriage Lane in Peterborough. Location. This one is a 1,770 square foot brick bungalow on a quiet cul-de-sac in Peterborough's north end. It's a former model home and has many upgrades and unique features. Cathedral ceilings, open concept lighting, palladium windows, and large kitchens, just to name a few. Come out and see this Saturday from 1 to 2:30. When you're done there, head over to 1539 Cherry Hill Road in Peterborough. This is a beautiful 2-story home and is located in the very desirable Kawartha Heights West End community. It's only minutes from quality schools, stores, and great restaurants. This large 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom home boasts a variety of recent upgrades. Come out on Saturday from 1 to 3 to view it. 315 Pearl Avenue in Peterborough is a big, beautiful century home in the sought-after avenues. This is a fantastic neighborhood. Connected, personable, walk everywhere, organized community events. It's a great place to live. Come on, check it out Saturday 1 to 3 and Sunday from 1 to 3. 110 Earlwood Drive, Peterborough is just a wow location. It's located on a quiet cul-de-sac backing onto the hospital. This home has much to offer. Located on a pool-sized lot, this family home features 3 bedrooms, a dining room, living room, main floor family room, and a kitchen. Come on out and see it Saturday noon till 2 and Sunday noon till 2. And if you're wondering what that Love Your Local Realtor hashtag is, give it a Google and find out why you should love your local realtor. I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.